Side steps. Catch the beat. So this track is relatively fast, so maybe keep the steps a little bit smaller. Coming forward, 4, and back for 4. And again. Hold it here, arms out to the side. Two steps. Lifting those elbows up to the side, really feel it in the back of the arms if you lift them high enough. Hold it to singles. Bring it forward for 4. That's 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Again, make it as big or as small as you want. It's your body, your workout. And back. Hold it here. Are you ready to go 2 steps? 4, 3, 2 steps. If you can, take those elbows out to the side, lift them up. Really feel the back of the arms working, but you don't have to. Single here. The arm relax. Coming forward for 4, 3, 2. Make those steps as big or as small as you want. If you're struggling for breath, make it smaller or march on the spot. Do what feels right for you, for your body. Two steps. And back. Well done. Feels a little bit awkward, doesn't it? But it really is giving a little bit of work to the back of the arms, maybe working those back wings a bit. I hope so. Well done. Hold it here. Relax the arms. Coming forward, 4, 4, 3, 2, keep it moving and back, 4, 3, 2. Side steps, well done. So just be aware of how your ankles feel, make it as big or as small as you want, so you might want to make it bigger. Let's take the foot across this time, in front, tap across. If that doesn't work for your balance, just make it slightly in front, but if you can, take it all the way across. Back to normal side step. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. So you're probably on the opposite leg to me now. I tried to switch, but it doesn't always work. So trying to touch the opposite heel, but if that doesn't work, then just take it a little toe tap behind. You're really feeling it in your bum. And touching my heel behind. Turning to the side slightly. Come back center to face me. Change to the other side. If that gets too much, just take it to a little toe tap. Back center. Foot across. Maybe a little bit of a shake. You can stand on one leg, flick the legs softly across or touch the toe in front, whatever feels right for you, for your body. It's your workout. Take it back to a side step. Well done. Shifting across to your left, so slightly bigger, slightly smaller. Are you ready? We're going to make it 2 steps in a moment. 2 steps. And back. Well done. Little shuffle there to get on the beat. Hold it here. Singles. Double. Single. Well done. Double. Single. Single. Well done. Let's change that slightly. When we get to the end, you're going to come forward for forward and back and back. 2. 2 forward, 2 back. To the side for 2. 2 forward, 2 back. 2 to the other side, 2 forward, 2. Singles forward, singles back, double, singles forward. Well done. Particularly well done if I haven't confused you yet. Well done, just shake it.